to my channel. So today
I'm here.
Now she's looking a bit red. I'm not sure if you'll pick it up on the camera, but her face is very pink right now because basically we've just filmed a video. It may already be up on my channel, it may not, but basically we did a makeup challenge and her whole face was pink.
Literally, it looked like a troll, literally.
So she's just recovering. So we put some foundation over it, but nothing's helping that face, unfortunately. So we're basically today I saw another YouTuber, Ollie White, doing this with his brother, and basically they made the world's chocolatiest drink. So we have a blender and we picked up a load of chocolatey stuff, the chocolatiest stuff we could see, and we're just gonna blend it together and taste it and see what it's like. Alright.
Please stop me laughing again, please do.
Okay, so let's get started. If you enjoy the video,
make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe.
And comment down below what your favourite chocolate bar is.
Yeah. So we have some Larella yogurt.
My absolute favourite. There's one because I ate the other one. This stuff has been in my fridge for nearly a week and that's good going there. So we've got the Larella yogurt. Should we just plump it in?
Yeah. Oh! Oh, look at it. No! Let me try some. I haven't tried them yet.
So next we've got the M&M eggs. They've only just come out and we've not tried them yet, so that's mainly why I bought them.
Yeah.
I wanted to try them. So.
Can we try one first?
Yeah.
Yay! So happy.
Ooh, look.
Ooh. Oh! Thank you. Mmm.
Just taste like the eggs.
Yeah.
Just put like 4 in. My favourite thing in the entire world. Great man. Please be a white. If it's a white, you get money.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
4 and 2.
No.
We have these chocolate cupcakes.
They're not just chocolate cupcakes.
2 chocolate fudge cupcakes.
We'll just put 1 in, shall we?
Yeah. Oh! Okay.
Next.
We have chocolate brownie Oreos.
Chocolate brownie Oreos. Oh yeah. We should have done this after tea. Well, try these after tea.
Yeah.
Should we put 2 in?
Yeah.
Okay, put them down. Next.
We have this Yorkie chocolate bar.
One of my favourite
Never
chocolate
tried
bars.
these.
You've never tried it?
No.
We can have some after
Never
tea.
tried.
Responsible adult over here. Comes over for tea.
And what time is it? It's 4 past 7.
Don't put a tea time. Don't put a time on food, okay? When you want food, you have it. You don't have a tea time. So put 2 things of Yorkie in.
Next we have some Whisper Bites. I love Whispers. They're one of my favourite chocolates ever. Comment down below what your favourite chocolate bar is.
We'll just put a bunch in.
Yeah. Okay, so this is one of my favourite chocolate bars ever.
Oh yeah.
Bueno.
This is actually my
I love these. I don't like the white ones, I like those ones. Oh, they're so nice.
I like them all.
I don't like the white ones. Alright.
They need a new one out already though, don't they?
Yeah. We'll only put 1 in.
Yeah, because
She's just throwing everything in.
on my new flooring.
Yep. And new wallpaper.
Right, next.
Next we have some chocolate brownies.
Do you love a brownie?
Yeah. Comment down below if you love a brownie. Addy.
There's going to be a lot of comments, I assume. Comment down below if you breathe.
Comment down below as well.
Right, we'll put 2 brownies in. So it's getting a bit fudge in there.
Yeah. Next we have a Dairy Milk Oreo. You guys, comment down if you've had any one of them. Like literally.
Please just comment already.
They're the best.
Shall I just put that in?
Yeah.
It's getting very full.
Yes, right, this is the last, oh.
No, it's not.
No. So we have some caramel cake bars. She's already had some of them.
on my floor for a bit because we did another video and it was just sat there. So
bit melted.
we've got chocolate ice cream.
Shall we almost speak for? Let's put chocolate ice cream.
Okay, and then the last one.
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
You can't do it without chocolate milk.
That's so chocolatey.
Oh, it's so exciting. So now.
Right, now we're going to go blend it because we've got no plugs near here because they're all with my computer and camera. So we're going to go blend it and then we'll be right back in cups to taste it.
See you in 2 seconds. And we're back. And we're back.
Yes.
The drinks are all blended.
Oh. Yeah, so our tea was ready just as we went and blended. So we blended the drink and then we put it in the fridge and then we had our tea. So these are our drinks.
It's bubbly on top.
Yeah, it's all
bubbly. This cat hair though.
Ready?
Ready?
Cheers!
I'm scared.
It's thick.
I needed blended more.
No, it didn't.
It's got bits in it.
Yeah, it's gonna have bits in it, you idiot. It's thick.
Nice. Is it nice though? I like it. You don't like it, do you? She doesn't like it. Look at that on your face. She don't like it.
It's alright. It's just too much. Like, you can literally taste every single thing we put in here all at once.
You can taste a lot.
Of the ice cream, I think.
You can taste the bits from the Whisper, like the inside. You can taste the Oreo bits. Oh, you can also do the cupcake crumbs. You can taste them.
Taste the cupcake. Can't really taste the Oreos, the Yorkie, Bueno,
the
Cadbury bar. Can't taste any of that. I can taste the ice cream 100%. And the Whisper and cake.
Cream egg, brownies.
So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. So I gave it a 7, she gave it an 8.5. She probably means a 10 because she's a fat pig, but...
No, it's an 8.5 because it's a bit like bitty, so it's like got bits in it and stuff, and it's quite thick as well. It needs more like chocolate milkshake.
So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a like down below. Comment what your favourite chocolate is and everything else Nell mentioned in the video. So basically comment something, please. Help the child out.
Also guys,
she literally watches all my videos about 5 times a day on repeat. She knows every single bit of every video. So if you comment, she'll definitely read it and probably reply. So what did you want to say?
Also, Charlie made this as a joke earlier. She's like, comment down below if you could breathe.
Someone's had a little bit too much sugar. Alright, well I'm glad you're going home in a minute. So like and comment down below and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. There's a bell icon next to the subscribe button. If you press that, you'll get notifications every time I upload a new video. So please press that as well if you're subscribed.
Also, comment down below what other drink we should do. I think we should do a sourish drink.
Yeah, actually, this is the only comment she's actually been relevant on. Yeah,
comment down what other drink we should do next. And comment down below if you like these videos, these sort of videos. Anyway, back to you.